Core Clause 6 of the NEC4 Engineering and Construction Contract sets out the mechanism for managing change. It is central to NEC's proactive, forward-looking philosophy and is the primary route for adjusting the prices, the completion date, and where applicable, key dates. A compensation event is an event which, if it occurs and it is not due to the contractor's fault, entitles the contractor to an adjustment to the prices, an adjustment to the completion date, an adjustment to key dates, and in some cases, changes to defined cost forecasts. The principle is simple. If the contractor is instructed to do something different or is impacted by a risk allocated to the employer, the contract is adjusted accordingly. Core Clause 6 works alongside Clause 60, which lists what constitutes a compensation event. Typical examples include instructions changing the scope, employer risk events, failure by the project manager to provide information by the required date, prevention events not caused by the contractor, changes to law if stated in the contract data. Notably, contractor inefficiency is not a CE. Risks allocated to the contractor remain with the contractor. The CE process is time-sensitive and procedural. The project manager may notify a CE. The contractor must notify within 8 weeks of becoming aware of the event. Failure to notify within 8 weeks may result in loss of entitlement. Before becoming a CE, matters should ideally be raised under Clause 15, Early Warnings. Once notified and accepted, the project manager instructs the contractor to submit a quotation. The quotation should include forecasts of defined costs, time impact on completion date or key dates, and risk allowances. Assessment should be forward-looking, based on the forecast effect at the time of instruction and not based on actual costs incurred later. Compensation events must be assessed using the accepted program, demonstrate impact on planned completion, include risk allowances for remaining uncertainty. If the contractor has not submitted an up-to-date program, the project manager can assess the CE using their own assumptions. CE agreement updates the target under options C and D. Pain gain is calculated against the revised target. Proper CE management protects both parties from dispute, and failure to follow the process can result in loss of entitlement. Core Clause 6 is not just an administrative tool, it is the engine of change management under NEC4 ECC. When used correctly, it encourages early dialogue, allocates risk transparently, maintains program integrity, and reduces retrospective claims culture. In practice, strong CE discipline is often the difference between a collaborative NEC project and a dispute-driven one. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.